What if, instead of landfills, we fed our garbage to the earth itself? Billions of tons of waste, plastic, metal, toxic chemicals, all dropped into molten fire. At first, it looks like the perfect solution. Instant destruction. No more landfills.
But burning plastic in lava doesn't just disappear. It transforms.
Poisonous gases, acid rain, microscopic toxins released into the air we breathe.
And the weight of millions of tons could destabilize the volcano itself, triggering eruptions, darkening skies, and turning a solution into a global disaster.
So tell me, would we clean the planet or destroy it faster?
Like, comment your next what if, share it, and follow What If Paradox.